You're watching how Leap lets AirDrop from an Android device to an iPhone. Android does not have the AirDrop feature, so you need to use a cross-platform alternative. First, ensure both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. On your Android phone, open the file you want to share and tap the Share icon from the Share menu. Select an app like Google's Nearby Share or a third-party app like Send Anywhere or Share It. If using Nearby Share, make sure the feature is enabled in your Android's quick settings or in the device's settings under Google and device connections. For the iPhone, you will need to have the same third-party app installed, such as Send Anywhere from the App Store. Open the app on both devices. On the Android, select to send the file, and on the iPhone, select to receive. Alternatively, you can use cloud services like Google Drive or Dropbox. Upload the file from your Android to the cloud service, then open the same service on your iPhone and download the file. This method transfers files without a direct wireless connection like AirDrop. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.